Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Jenny Clarissa Putri, NPM 244120116. I am here to explain the material about the relationship between ethics and economic systems. Every economic system is not only a set of technical rules governing production, distribution, and consumption, but also a reflection of the moral values that exist within society. In other words, ethics and economic systems are interconnected. Ethics provide the moral direction for economic actors, while the economic system provides the structure that governs how these values are applied in practice. Ethics serves as a safeguard to ensure that economic activities are conducted fairly, humanely, and without victimizing any particular group. In each economic system, ethics plays a different role, depending on how a society regulates ownership, resource management, and the distribution of economic power. Below is a detailed explanation of each economic system. Traditional economic system. Traditional economic systems are the oldest and are typically practiced by indigenous peoples or small communities. These systems are heavily influenced by customs and cultural values that have been passed down through generations. The role of ethics in traditional economic systems. 1. Ethics are integrated with social and cultural norms. In these systems, economic decisions are not based on calculations of financial gain, but rather on customary values, a sense of community, and social harmony. Cultural norms serve as the highest moral code that determines what is and is not permissible. 2. Honesty as the primary foundation. Because economic activities are conducted within small, widely recognized communities, honesty is a crucial value. Ethical violations such as cheating or manipulation are often considered serious violations of customary law. 3. Gotong royong as a production mechanism. Economic activities are often carried out collectively, for example, helping with harvests, building houses, or managing land. The principle of gotong royong reflects an ethic of mutual assistance and selflessness. 4. Sustainability and wise use of nature. Many traditional societies prioritize the ethics of maintaining the balance of nature. Resources are used sparingly so they can be passed on to the next generation. Thus, in traditional systems, ethics serve as a central pillar maintaining social stability and balance between humans and the environment. B. Market economic system, capitalist. A market economic system emphasizes individual freedom in economic activity. Prices are determined by the mechanism of supply and demand, while private ownership plays a dominant role. Why are ethics important in a market economic system? 1. Preventing exploitation and social inequality. In a free market, economic actors can act solely for profit. Without ethics, this can lead to labor exploitation, low wages, and poor working conditions. 2. Avoiding unfair competition. Ethics are necessary to prevent companies from using dishonest methods such as monopolies and cartels, price manipulation, spreading false information, sabotaging competitors. C. Centrally controlled economic system, command socialist. In a centrally controlled economic system, the government plays a major role in determining what is produced, how it is produced, and to whom it is distributed. Economic power rests with the state. The role of ethics in a centrally controlled economic system. 1. Requires the government to be transparent and fair. Because the government controls most resources, ethics demands that decision-making be transparent and accountable. 2. Avoiding corruption and abuse of power. With centralized power, the risk of abuse is very high. Ethics play a role in restraining public officials from using their authority for personal gain. D. Mixed economic system. A mixed economic system combines the advantages of markets and government intervention. In this system, the private sector operates based on market mechanisms, while the government regulates, supervises, and protects the public interest. The role of ethics in a mixed economic system. 1. Maintaining market efficiency without sacrificing public welfare. Ethics helps define the boundaries between market freedom and government intervention to prevent exploitation or injustice. 2. Ensuring government policies remain fair and impartial. The government must create economic policies that are transparent, objective, and prioritize the public interest, not the interests of specific groups. Conclusion. Ethics plays a crucial role in determining the quality and success of any economic system. An economic system without ethics has the potential to lead to injustice, conflict, exploitation, and environmental damage. Therefore, regardless of the system used, traditional, market, centralized, or mixed, ethics must be the primary foundation for economic activity to be fair, harmonious, and beneficial to all members of society.